Okay, I'll meet you there in a couple hours. Thanks.
You're gonna be okay, Hugh. We're getting you out of here.
Yeah, you're gonna be all right, buddy.
Closest trailhead is 3 miles east. Meet a team member there with an ambulance. Okay, let's recap. Mason, Helen, Jake, and I will take Hugh. Day packs only. We'll leave your backpacks here and we'll get them on the way back. All right, I'll take Hugh's pack. Wendy, Kaylee, and Sue, you will carry all the food and toiletries to the campsite at Painted Meadow. See you guys for dinner.